Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomify, and today we're looking at the 70mm Dashcam Pro. Is this dashboard camera living up to the hype? I've recorded day and night footage with it, so let's have a look and let's go. In the box, you'll find a camera with its mount, two anti-static window stickers, a USB power plug for your car's cigarette lighter, a micro USB cable, and a little tool to help you with the cables, and a small instruction manual. The camera looks like a small action cam with a tiltable lens, so you can easily adjust it even after mounting it. It's got a built-in speaker and a microphone which allows you to voice control it, and on the side you'll find a micro USB input for power and a small micro SD card slot that supports Class 10 cards of up to 64 gigs. The Dashcam Pro's got built-in Wi-Fi which allows you to set it up using the 70My app, and it can be used to transfer photos and videos to your phone or tablet, so you don't have to get the SD card out just to get the footage off it. The camera has a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, and it uses a Sony IMX33.5 sensor, and it's capable of recording video in H.265 at a 2592 by 1944 pixels. So these are a bit larger than HD resolution, which might be very welcome. So I've installed the 70My app, and there's different versions of this app for different regions, and even though I've chosen mine from the Chinese app store, all of the text and voice prompts were all in English, so that looks quite promising. I had to connect my phone to the Dashcam's Wi-Fi network to install it, after which I had to give up the car model and stuff, which was kinda weird, but well, I did manage to install it. So here we've installed it in the car by making sure the windshield was properly cleaned before attaching the anti-static sticker, and after this you can simply attach the mount to this sticker. It's got this double-sided tape on the mount, and that should be that. We'll take some time to properly get rid of the wiring, but I'm sure many of you might be a lot better and patient for that than I am. Simply plug in the USB cable into the car's cigarette lighter adapter, and that's it. Obviously, you gotta make sure that you've inserted a micro SD card, and you should be good to go. So these are some of the first images that the camera has recorded, and I really must say I was quite impressed with the footage. I didn't expect this to be this vibrant and this sharp. So here we drove around in town here in the Netherlands to see how it would perform.
Photo taken. The display is on.
And at night during another ride to see how it would perform at night. Obviously at night it will never be as good as during the day, but it was really not bad for the price that this camera goes for. Actually, it was pretty good, to be honest. The camera's always recording when you power it on. It records in loop cycles, so it will overwrite the first clips when your card is full. However, you can force it to record clips, and these will not be overwritten by the cycles. It will also record a clip in the event of a car crash, so when it detects an impact. And you can also force it to record a clip by voice. Perhaps when you're driving in a really nice scenery and you would like to capture that, simply say record video, and it will record a so-called emergency video that won't be overwritten. Record a video.
Start recording emergency video.
The same goes for taking a picture. Simply say take photo, and it will take a photo. Take a picture.
Photo taken.
Like really fast. It's pretty cool. The other two voice-controlled actions are for turning the display on and off. Turn on the screen.
The display is on.
Turn off the screen.
The display is off.
It also comes with a parking assist that will capture a video when it detects an impact. I thought this might record a time-lapse at all times, or perhaps has a motion detector, but this really only films when it detects some sort of impact. So on New Year's Eve, capture this clip, which was kind of funny. The next time you power the camera on, it will prompt you with a message saying that it has recorded a clip while being parked.
There is a new parking surveillance video. Please open the gallery to view it.
So what do I think? I must say I was quite impressed with the quality of the image. Especially during the day, the image was really impressive, and at night, it's really not bad. It's nice that it's got these voice commands, so you can easily take a picture or a video without having to touch the camera. And it's also nice that it stores accident videos and videos that you've prompted it to take in a different folder, so that these don't get overwritten. The only thing that I would have loved to see is like a time-lapse or motion detection feature when your car is parked. It doesn't have have a GPS function, but you can get the optional ADAS module to include lane departure and forward collision warnings by sound. And additionally, you can also get the 70mm phone mount for your car, which includes Qi charging, but this does not seem to communicate with the Dashcam Pro though. Overall, I think the camera is really nice. It seems to be very well priced and it performs better than I actually expected it would. I did read from some users they could not get the camera to work in English, but I've gotten mine from the Chinese website Banggood, and out of the box it all worked in English and even included an English written manual. So from my end it was all good and I don't have any complaints. So that's it for the 70mm Dashcam Pro. What do you think? Are you interested in getting one? Are they allowed in your country? Let me know down here in the comments section, and leave a like on this video if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet, and I hope to see you guys soon. Peace!